When we attach different types of storage device into our PC, sometimes we need to figure out which one is SSD or which one is HDD. So in this window, we are not able to see that. I am going to show you a simple way to figure this out. Just go to window icon and type PowerShell. Open it as a run as administrator. Type get dash physical disk vertical bar format dash table dash auto size and press enter. As you can see all the details about storage devices installed into your PC, and you can simply identify which one is HDD and which one is SSD. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to give me a like. Thank you.